Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open up a savings account inside your Commonwealth Bank online. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device and then head on over to combank.com.au. And once you've done that, you'll be brought to the main page of the Commonwealth Bank and it should look like this. And now from here, what you want to do is click onto banking, top left hand corner of your screen. And this will bring up another page. And then from here under banking, there will be everyday accounts, savings accounts and term deposits, credit cards, personal loans. So what you need to click onto is saving accounts and term deposits. And now on this page, you'll be able to see all the different saving accounts and term deposits that you can open. So there's about 5 here. I highly recommend you take your time and read through every one of these accounts to see which one best suits your needs. So if you want to discover a net bank saver, simply click onto that. And then you can look at the feature rates, the benefits, easy access to your savings 24/7, and the interest rates, the fees and all that stuff. So if you want to go ahead and open up a NetBank saver account, which is a savings account in Commonwealth Bank, go ahead and click on open online now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open online now, and then it will say here, if you're already a customer banking online with us, save time by using your NetBank details. So simply go ahead and click on open in NetBank, and if you're a new customer and don't bank with them, click on open now. So for example, if you're already a customer with Commonwealth, so simply click on open in NetBank and then simply log in using your client number and password. And then once you've done that, just follow the prompts. And likewise, if I'm not a customer, I'll click on open now. And then you'll click on ready to apply. So you need to make sure you're 14 years of age or older, have an Australia residential address, and you have at least one form of ID, like your driver's license, Medicare, birth certificate, passport, etc. And then, as it says here, so step 1 takes less than 5 minutes. So you got to provide all your details, including your name, mailing address, phone number, etc. And then step 2 would be takes less than 5 minutes again. So verify you're secure online with at least one form of ID. And then the last step is confirm the countries where you're a tax resident. So if you go ahead and click on get start now, I'll go through the prompts here. So kick start your savings, click on OK. So click on if it's for you or a joint. So if you're joining up with your partner, click on joint, but if it's just an individual, click on single. And then put in your title here. So I'm going to do Mr. Put your first name, last name, etc. So just follow these prompts here to set up a new Commonwealth Bank to make that savings account inside Commonwealth Bank. So yeah, it's as easy as that, guys. If you have any issues, just leave the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.